I'm at CES Unveiled, the Consumer Electronics Show in Las Vegas, and I've been around the show. This is the first event of the show, and so far I've seen a lot of apps for the iPad and the iPhone. And this is actually the first group, Cobra Electronics, that I've actually seen something specifically for the Android, and you did it on purpose. This is Sally Washlow, and she's the Senior Vice President of Sales and Marketing for Cobra Electronics. What is this device, and why is it that you chose to diss Apple, to diss the iPhone on this particular product?
Well, we developed this product specifically for Android because they allow us to use Android Open Accessory to develop an app that lets you bring other apps to the foreground and lets the user customize their phone immediately when they get in the car. They can determine what they want to launch on Connect with our accessory here, the Cobra Joyride. So it's a free app that works with a car charger accessory, and that allows the user really to determine, on Connect in my car, I want Bluetooth on to connect to the Bluetooth in my car to drive safely. I want Wi-Fi off to save battery. I want Maps to launch when I'm starting to drive in my vehicle. It saves the user time when they get in their car too. They're not messing around configuring how their phone is going to be set. And so the reason we did it for Android is because that platform allowed us to develop an app like this on Android Open Accessory.
Have you secured distribution on this yet?
It launches in Q2 of this year, so it's not out yet.
But in terms of distribution, have you talked to Best Buys? Is this going to be something that we're going to see in all the stores?
We're talking with our major partners today to launch the product in Q2. So.
And what are some of the biggest questions that they're asking in terms of the biggest concerns that they have with it?
Just as that, how are users going to configure the app? And it's a hard question to ask because it can get configured in so many ways. It's really up to the user. If a person likes music and that's always what they want in their car, they can have that launch first. But if they want Bluetooth to launch first, they can have that to launch first. The great thing about it is the app is different for everybody. The only thing that's universal is that when you unplug it, if you choose to, it'll automatically secure where your car was, so you have a car finder. So on disconnect, it'll automatically take a GPS snapshot of where your car is so you don't lose your car.